Hi everyone and welcome back to Naimi DevSlayer. If you have been following the mini-bib series, you already have your book entity. In this video, we are configuring the fields inside our Book CRUD controller. Let's start. The first one, we're gonna use TextField provided by EasyAdmin for the title. After that, we're gonna set label. Gonna write here title. After that, this field is gonna be required. So let's put this option by set required equal true. The second one, it's gonna be the summary. So this one we're gonna use not text field, it's TextEditorField. After that, we're gonna put the field name, summary. After that, the label, and also we're gonna put this one as required equal true. Now we are going to add relation properties, author and categories. The first one we're gonna use author. With that we're gonna use also AssociationField. If you want, you can set label here, or you can put it here with author. Let's move on to the next one. It's gonna be categories, so it's gonna be the same. The next one, it's gonna be the slug, and also EasyAdmin have a SlugField. Now we need the definition of this slug. We are going to use set target field name, and this slug is going to be the combination between the title and the author. Before moving on, let's see the result on our interface here. As you can see, we have a problem. Could not convert it to string, the entity author. For this one, the solution is to add a magic function called toString. Let's add it now. And toString here will return $this get first name, and we'll concatenate with $this get last name. Let's see if we have another problem. And as you can see, we have here also the same problem with category. Let's add it to toString, and here we will return the category name. Here we have our result, test. Let's add another author, and we have here the category. As you can see, the book slug is test 7. The 7 is the ID of the author. But we have here the author. When I refresh, we have here the first author, Victor. So we need a placeholder. Let's return here. And the option to add a placeholder is set form type option. And here the option is placeholder. And we need a placeholder to our other select input is the category set form type option, but we need to put here attribute. After that, we're gonna use a table placeholder and associative table placeholder, and we're gonna put the message here. The difference here, because here we have the relation many to many. Let's return here and check what we add. As you can see, choisissez un auteur, choisissez une ou plusieurs catégories. As you can see here, we can choose many categories. Now we will add the first file field for the book file name. So we will use file field provided by EasyAdmin. The property is book file name, and we're gonna put the label here. After that, we will use many options. The first one is set upload dir. The next is set base path for the path. Next one is the name of the file we are going to upload is set file uploaded file name pattern. Now this file is gonna be required, so set required. I need to remove this comma here. It's gonna be true. We need also to put the max size of the files. We are not going to upload files with 1 GB. So here the option is max size. And the last one for today is the meme type. So the input field will show only the type that we will provide. So for meme type, we are going to put only PDF. For the max size, we're gonna use 7 MB. And uploaded file name pattern. So this one, we are going to use a random name. So for this one, we will put a random hash like that, comma, and the extension. For the path file, I advise you to choose something because you are not going to put all files together. So I create this small system to create a path with the year and the month of the upload. So here the final result, it's gonna be public. I will copy this directly. Public uploads, after that book, file, and the path. I put file C to separate the book file and the cover image. And for the base path, it's the same. Just we are going to remove the public. So this is for the book file name. The other one, the cover image, it's gonna be also a file, but instead of using file field, it's going to be image field. New, and the name is cover image name. The label is couverture, and the other options are all the same. I will copy and try to just modify a little bit. For this one, instead of files, it's gonna be the image. also here image. The same for uploaded file name pattern, required true, max size, and choose 2, and for the meme type, we need meme type for images, and we are going to use JPG, PNG, web. And for max size, as you can see, we can add a message for error, for example, like that. Before testing this one now, we need to add our last field. It's Boolean field for the option archived or no. Let's test the result now. So we have here just archived, archived like this. So the title, I'm gonna put test here, like this. The author, category, double. As you can see here, this folder contains PDF files and images, and as you can see, we can see only PDF files. After that, with the coverture, it's the same folder and we see only the images. And we have here the title, all the field that we create. For the summary, as you can see, we can see HTML balise here. We need to remove them, the file here for the book and the cover image. And if we want to check here the upload, we have files and images. So that's it for the fields. Next video we will improve the display. See you there.